This little desk really exceeded my expectations. It's not a very big desk, but it just does the work. I mean, if it's for anybody who's looking for something a little bit more precise. I originally was going to put it in a small office. I decided to switch the area. So it's pretty small for the area that I put it in, but if you have a small office in your house, it's really, really good. I managed to put in a printer on one of the shelves, and it fits nicely. Haven't had any issues with it. It fits my laptop perfectly without any problem. It's nice. It's got a lot of area. There's a lot of writing area on either side. The drawers, yes, they are fabric, but they are very good. They're pretty easy to set up. They're lightweight, but they're very sturdy. The bottom is pretty sturdy. It's good for any office items that you might need. So I particularly love the electrical outlets on top. I'm not a big fan of the fact that you can actually see all of the cables of everything that you are connecting to the outlet, but it's really a small price to pay for how good this little thing came out. The cable for the outlet is pretty long, so if you need to extend it a little more, it's going to be awesome for that. And the CPU board, I did not use it because obviously I don't have a CPU board, but there's plenty of space here. Also, there is plenty of lap area for big fat people like me. So if you get a chair that, I know it'll, you can adjust the height to it, you're not going to have a problem with it. I have pretty big thighs and I have plenty of space. So all in all, this is a pretty wonderful desk. I would highly recommend it.